Physicists have long wondered about the existence of intelligent life in the galaxy and the degree of its development. We classify these extraterrestrial civilizations by the degree of their use of energy. Civilization of the first type is planetary, controlling planetary processes and weather by using the energy of their own world. Type 2 civilization has gone beyond planetary energy and uses the energy of the sun, applying it to their machines, reminiscent of the Federation of Planets in the Star Trek universe. Type 3 civilization is galactic in scale, moving freely across the vastness of the galaxy and even manipulating phenomena such as black holes, much like the Empire from The Empire Strikes Back. The question remains, who are we? We are categorized as Type 0 because our energy sources are mostly dead plants, fossil fuels such as oil and coal. We have not yet reached the level of planetary energy control. In order to travel to other universes, penetrate black holes, or break the light speed barrier, we need to rise to the status of a third type of civilization. This is called Planck energy. Planck energy is a huge energy associated with black holes that is believed to be equal to the energy of the Big Bang, making it the most powerful force in the universe. This begs the question, how long will it take for us to achieve the ability to harness this Planck energy and travel between universes? At a conservative estimate, you'd have to be 100,000 years older than us. That's quite a leap. The next intriguing question is, if we encounter a Type 3 or Type 2 civilization, how will we even be able to recognize them? When we scan the sky looking for signs of a Type 2 civilization, the main indication is the characteristic black body radiation it emits. However, our current observations have not provided conclusive evidence for the existence of such civilizations. This does not mean that they do not exist. Rather, our methods of detection are still quite primitive. If these advanced civilizations have the ability to exceed the speed of light, it is possible that they may be able to harness the energy of the wormhole, effectively elevating their status to Type 3. This level of development would allow them to obtain the Planck energy needed to create or travel between universes. Furthermore, when we contemplate the existence of intelligent life in the cosmos, we must be prepared for the fact that its form of intelligence may differ significantly from our own. The key question, therefore, is to determine the true nature of intelligence. This is particularly difficult given the possibility of multiple forms of intelligence. Let's consider this with the example of a pool of dolphins. In this scenario, sensors capture the high-frequency sounds made by the dolphins and fed that data into a computer system. The result: a resounding success. Indeed, it became apparent that these creatures possessed a certain level of intelligence. There is a certain pattern and consistency to their vocalizations. Consequently, it is possible to establish a hierarchy of intelligence using computers designed to reveal the algorithms behind them. This methodology can be utilized in the field of space exploration. There is an enormous amount of noise and interference in outer space, much of which is merely the effects of celestial phenomena, such as supernova explosions, devoid of any apparent significance. Perhaps with quantum computers, we can sift through the vast amounts of data coming from space and find signs of intelligence in it. Historically, physicists have faced a challenge in investigating phenomena such as flying saucers, unidentified aerial phenomena, and extraterrestrial civilizations. It is not enough to rely solely on anecdotal accounts, such as, "I saw something in the sky last night." Such observations, while genuine, can have a variety of explanations. A large proportion of such observations, about 90%, can be explained by natural phenomena, weather anomalies, or even the presence of balloons. However, the remaining 10 of such phenomena defy the established laws of engineering and physics. Consequently, we must subject these cases to careful analysis. Until recently, only a limited amount of data has been systematically collected. Physicists rely on the data to make unbiased assessments and draw objective conclusions about the nature of these phenomena. The responsibility to demonstrate that these phenomena are not of extraterrestrial origin now falls upon the military, signifying a significant shift in perspective. These objects are capable of extraordinary feats, including speeds of up to 20 times the speed of sound, the ability to operate underwater, in the atmosphere, and even in outer space. Their unpredictable zigzag movements present a perplexing challenge. The centrifugal forces experienced within any conventional craft would be lethal to any living organism on board. In essence, we are confronting a new realm of engineering that surpasses anything achievable on Earth. The fundamental question remains, are these phenomena mere optical illusions, or do they have an extraterrestrial origin? The answer hinges on our meticulous analysis of the data now available. Physicists are now meticulously scrutinizing every frame, and there is hope that this analysis will eventually yield conclusions about the origins of these enigmatic objects.